and then upper section, and then chance, and change the man of 6. We plan over 6. A boy, and an opposite no starting 19 million over 6. Just excellent.
All right, Yamu Wakwaba Emfa Emra GH Live Studio. Yababe too. Na yere amount ye go straight to the point. Na yere uncommon zunyana. And so etime edi amount na Andra. Crop your Kumasia Sante Kodoko etinefie and Dreams FC edisi ni giri pa. Na ebe highlight nibi. Na yere amount yere stories and walk to continue and so etime at the amount bibia na aye come away a timer na kodoko timono ebe arrival ewo baba yara sports stadium na game no and so etime akoso ani twamfo yine no and so at the emonenra ni esi ewo game no mo sanso and after the match no ni ekoso ewo mo biado yede ni nyina ede to fam and so ewa ha sei na yede amount mo bibia and so etime aye kama and so ewo honom kodoko stories ne edoson papa na enra after the match ne supporters ne bi edin komo sanso ena King Zuba ono eye KM boss so at the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly KM boss and enra ono so ebi kiremu ehwe game ne bi bipia so eto dina owie no okasai ni voice ni bi ne di kan eboma but full video no so ewo video ye kira ubenya bipia so ahwe aba no aye kama so ewo hono na highlight no ana ye twagu so ede na stories ewurum okotoko boboku ne no ye the more stories so etime ede amount so ewo na bibia so etime aye kama so ewo boboku no so afana entia minya enesa brantia ne din ere Samuel Adom entry brantia no wa Ghana ni na usina kan ede River United and I say Rivers United, yes, Rivers United. Now, moko Nigeria no nyama unko yesa mfama abrante no former player edema Kemfa Isa ne mfoyin na ahyase no na edaswa ye twagu edema wono na entia minya ne se opese oba Ghana na oba Ghana no na eye bobuku krobye Kumasi Asante Kotokomu ana metete se ono enso eba be him ama bibia nso eye kama ohwe highlight na twagu na eye anura game no a highlight ana e twagu gidigidi enso ewo hono na wadi kan abo ne ball ewo Ghana ha edema Kemfa Isa, yes nti sa brand ne se mo kai na Samuel Adom entry okodoko epesa striker no nti ya minya enso no na unim Sokan another Sokan Mohammed ono eye player former player wabone wasina kan dia ma Ghana ha say ye pa na kopiemo ewo Club Africain ewo Tunisia na okoye no Franca Club Africain no onya bi mo kra eno ama menyantie bi se abrante no pese osanso banachi se obi manso anjewa masa ukromo de bejo kama ono so ente ya menyan se obanachi ya na eye krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ena opese ono so ebebo Kotoko team no ma de obi ape Kotoko team no na omo akwa Africa this season and as in this season so wo holo na ohwe highlight na we can catch us Kotoko ni Dreams FC enra game no ana etwagu ama bibia so etime aye kama so wo holo more update for coaching ho nsensem na ene ye no Kotoko supporters no ekasa ye no na omo nsema na wo kanesem the performance of Abdul Karim Zito no enyema kama ye pa ɛnso ɛde ma papa Karim Zito ɛne Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So their preference ɛne sɛ nka coach Abdul Karim Zito ɛnto so na ɔmfa ɛma Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko no ɛyɛ stories a na ɛnra nkɔmɔ a ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ stadium no yɛne fans no bi ɛdidi nkɔmɔ no sansɛm green na ɔmo nso ɛka sɛ nka coach Abdul Karim Zito ɛnto adwumadie no so ɛmfa ɛma Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Chairman Alexander Meluka bibi fa ho na video no ɛwɔ hɔ nom yɛbɛbɔ ne nyinaa ɛnso ɛtime ɛde ama ɛwɔ hɔ na yɛngulem na yɛmfa players no ɔmo rating sendra performance ɔmo da na di ɛnso wɔ game a ɛno nso ɛkɔ so na coach Abdul Karim Zito ɛnra na the starting lineup no ɛnso ɛyɛ kama yie paa wɔ sɛ Joseph Abula na ogyina akyire hɔ ɛbɔ adwuma no ɛde ɛma Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Samba Oniela na ɔno nso ɛba bɛhyɛm in the midfield position na ɛnema ɛnso ɛkɔ yie kama Mohamed Kamara goalkeeper no and them saves goalkeeper no in the game no I will give him 8.5 over 10 and that was the rating Enra na or super in that game and saves a hodwa or ushebi and so a video he did very well. Even though him Dianka goes and Kokoroko ever consider in that game na and KB Justice Blay not much and you can say Casa more a fan super. Now he is playing as number 2. Edema Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko pushi. Edema midfield who have supported the midfield MBB and so it may kama ewo team nemo. I will also give him 8.5 over 10. 8.5 over 10. Na Samba Galbani Ndongani Onel. Galbani Ndongani Onel Samba. Enra, the position our boy game anymore was in front of the defenders and it just said about defensive midfielder and super. I'll give him 9 because about different position and in raw coach Karim Zito the man he played the role very well. And so Saka Dawida and so boy and na and run the performance no kakranisa and so na enye gidi bia but na okay I'll give him 6.5 over 10. Henry Kwame Ansu had 3 back and otiasia rough the 3 back system otiasia papa and the performance was super and I'll give him 7.5 over 10. Patrick Essiedu consistency afa I'll give him 9 over 10. And so our Baba Yaya and the performance was very super and nice. I'll give him 8.5 over 7. And Albert Amwa was good. He scored a goal. He runs and the pressing was very good in the game. And first half of with me, we don't know what happened to him, but first half of with me, and I will give him 7.5 over 10. Sanso and Papa Yaya was super. So the medical kind Joseph Ablo. They come back and start the game and now Bibian so at the Emma Abranti Joseph Ablo and I'll give him 7 over 10. Kwame Poku Brace after the game, the same to just say no one in because now was some question more goals and or sounds quite Juma about or on the offside or committee bibiri and so training grounds. Now going to give him 9 over 10. That was the performance. Wisdom Basi Fernando, the guy by on the mobile. Obama in the second half, the ball bare 15 minutes. I will give him 7 over 10. Nice play from him. Che Jamana Ebebobi, the performance was quite good, 6.5 over 10. Elvis Che Balfour gave him 6.5 over 10. That was Elvis Che Balfour. na apranti and the Lord Amua Benya 5 minutes. That was the additional time, and it was good. I'll give him 6/10 than the performance, and so a commander and the assessment of the team, Minka says so man over 100 team they played 80% because and performance or more identity, and so a game was super. Now the seriousness of the players, the commitment of the players, and everything, all defense, all attack. Obia body position ye. Bebia coach Karim Zito at the mama Obia yena Juman so kama. And so at the team Andra na for 1 win na omu enya they deserve the win. And so yedimu enkomo edema na wona say kodoko now omu kuta 54 points. 54 points. Now only Babianu Gold Stars and our points so it was right 55 points because on one more game. So now over 54 point 51. So now he's 55 now Kotoko Mwabeyan 54 points. Nations FC more so Nyanko Yaduma train Nations FC gamer on also Ebobono na Yahu Sendie and Yema and so EBTV SC Akona and King Zuba obedi nkomo na nkomo na odi no jeba akotie bi sanso na chairman Alexander Menu nsema ono so di tudwa no jebe kwa akwakotie nyankopon ya dum enne day training eni ho e wadako jaji Tuesday ana recovery training no enso ebeko so yenko tie King Zuba and chairman Alexander Menu nsema mo di tudwa no na yemfenwie story no
Asante Zuba Keme boss. Chairman Zuba na video. Chairman Bedim Komo. Live on the Park, live on the Park TV, live on the Park 127. Chairman Keme boss. Chairman kana nisha Africa preparation or see a chance. The best chance here or see a chair players and say, I already see a better yes, supporters and chance here ambassador. Yami Aduma, Westiada, Yako, maybe in Nomiami could be supporters, Rodona, and Momo is on Baba Baby. Supporting team here the win about said a team the spirit in Baba back. Now Yako Africa, here then when you promise. In a month for us a Cotoconia bear 6-7 passes to be Biana in the Dibiana. Mobina Reno, who wants to do bass for supporters. Okay, Benin members are many says and the amount supporters. Cotocotin Nankasana, okay, and who boys the performance. I'm due to buy improvement about ball and the ball. We hear Omupon, Omupasi, and even approach of 18 box in one and they say yes, but it happens, support from and players will be up and say, my baby, my coach in energy. I am still not convinced as a protocol supporter because every coach never perform. It will be up as well, every coach, but going forward, they can never change. So far, they football. I'm for the house doctor, and how boys will pass once the park, who come here, they have to tell you. As one thing, the problem was there before the okay, but the okay made a minimum. Yewo asotefe yewo bantama kwase.
Yes, you are two so near more percent of the first more fun buta. No, but I said they are two. It's all good just can hobo.
And the material is a very don't do no bobo just can be ansana. Papa Bugoro and the member in assembly members. We did a kita so the
Kumasi man so much was. Now so two run here juma. Go yi man in a two pan.
Yeah, only go say as well as Omina enter it. Papa miss a man of more equipment. I know what you're holding. I was here, you come for the pavement.
Say what the prisoners near Kumasi. Who was more?
And so Omina Omini here. The Domba Kuma, Domba Kwa, and my environment near if you know man is so yes, when you're so
Yama ni check Zuba. Na dati ya ko si ono be.
Eddie may
Thank you. Zuba.
Zito ball, pa, tiki taka. Who is saying,
Bibi. Coach Karim Zito. In 1982, you bought champion and Zito no Kotoko. 1982, no about 3. And then the friend left back, then they turn friend 3, no about 3. 1983 was about 3 a moment the Cup Champions League. According to Kotoko, this is about his third time or third or fourth time. I stand for correction. See, I can't be inside out. Open, catch a place. I'm here. Sorry, Karim Zito. Sorry. See, I can't be inside out. Karim Zito. Say make us ball. We be say them able no more Kotoko. What I say, only a boy I would G. I'm very dear. I say Karim Zito era any room. Bobo here. See, I can't be inside out. Let's go to Karim Zito. It's over. I was a new coach never. I'm because I'm saying, who knew no new coach as when you come here. No, the icon. And I answer ball. And then Samba for the first time, number 6. And then Bobo 6, and then Chelsea, and change the man Bobo 6. We plan over 6. A boy, and I know was no starting 10 minutes over 6. Just excellent. No boy, and then I forgot watch. I said, go. We are watching the Washington. I said, no, trainer coach has be serious because we don't want to score goal. Be serious, we're good player. Be serious, and indeed he's serious. What's that social media? The DLS at the moment. Find that your head in shape. 3 over 4. Yes. 3 over 4. Possible of 12 points. Possible of 12 points now. I did 10. Even though FA Cup, but I did 10. They quite FA Cup for that. Me, they go away with my own pocket money. What did I make? I go away with my own pocket money.
Yeah. What to do a day?
Kotoko
more than 4 or 5 days.
Me that man was and Kotoko. Kotoko. Me supported me owner of Kotoko. Nobody plays me. Man the 12 for Kotoko. The 12 for Kana. We do for that jacket. We do for that jacket. It be me next to Kotoko. They me a piano. We do for that top players. How this can go? San you straight to the Accra for Wednesday. Takwa for Thursday. What I say? They make it what they happen so inside there. It's okay. It's in a year we had a year. Yeah, no danger. They pen year and Taubia. It's a bomb passer. What to see by say at the end of the season, one family. And they are up and doing.
Come on, you just a moon coach. Coach, we should check coach.
It's a job for more.
And I told you,
it's a job for more. It's a job for more. I'm a coach. I'm a coach. JMP coach. I'm a committee. I'm a committee. I'm a fan coach. You are not in set of a coach.
And they are in an up and crab.
We are not in set. If I'm comparing an up and crab.
When are you only to number?
They're fighting the man.
So not take a decision.
Men take a decision.
Come on, coach. That's not. I human.
Say,
and I talk about new coach.
I'm not going to say, well, I don't take decisions. They make and say, a professional club. Come on,
I do not take a decision.
This to buy. They say, all the things about the most and then they say,
But the way you did.
Me say I don't know why the man say so you man say you know and now the man I say boy me you to oba say you and that can more matches go 4 plus Africa it's any yeah friend me no for el friend me no get about you Dabi baba ko ye pepe
You jam work of fans in our country.
this season only last season there was a master do oba first now we are the aba de omo mba de bia now de bia na ne ne system taka one match and me dem there o say it fufuru pool say it to no me no say me na bi da come what I say Sunday ko set akwa there was a katakwa we know I care ba why say that I care ba to what is islam me say me fa offense offense disrespect I can say to support what I say into yourself say then na baby could be support away there I mean person ko baby this ka ba kuma waiting but home dey here home dey the Sunday the quarter I'm sorry baby if you are your bomb media man